Hey guys, I came across the platform which creates the music and the music videos and the clips, and it has agent inside it with like bunch of coolest video models, image models, and the music. Let's create some anime style music, and for the lyrics, give me a lyric of and music for anime. I will create it with AI. This is just a free version of Gemini, and I just want to show you how it's done and how it works. So let's see, Tuning AI looks amazing. And if we go to the anime style, you guys see this is actually amazing. And we can go on the character design style as well and the film style. Dude, this is actually, I've seen things like that in the TV series dramas when they make with the AI. Yeah, that's exactly that. Dude, this is cool. That's actually dope. On a 3D cartoon? Dude, man, this is fun. What gave us the video? I need lyrics only.
These
What the
fragments of
hell?
life are time.
What the hell was that? Let's generate music. Uh, are we writing a season style mode? I want a music with anime style. These are the lyrics. Let's see what we get here. I'm curious and interested as well. Let's see, guys. I chose the J-Rock style and let's go for the female vocal. Oh, wow. These days are crazy, guys. Like you are creating the AI anime, AI films, AI music, clips. Everything is done by AI. It's all about your imagination right now. Honestly, it's your imagination and a little bit of skills of editing. We're living in a dream era right now. With and help of AI, we can do anything we ever dreamt of. This is crazy. This is cool. So we created the music.
Beyond the shadows that stole our time, reaching for.
Yeah, that's the anime style, right? Let's write down here. Generate video clip for this music using anime style. Let's see what we get here, and if we don't get it from right here, your song's landed. Let me set up the MV for this anime style music video. Let's bring those fragments, light to fire. The song is ready on center. Yeah, that's working. That's working actually, guys. And let's see how it's gonna work in the end. Perfect. Let me bring the best in. Let's choose this one. I just want to see the result at least, and I'm curious. I'm curious how it's gonna work. Let's go. So it gave us the segments, it gave us the characters and the area. Yes, go ahead. And it gave us the script. and the character area, and let's dive to the video. I'm curious what's video gonna look like. Character, this one looks cool. This one looks shy and cool. I'm curious how they're gonna be same in the same place in the same clip. Generate video directly, premium image. You'll see the moment it's done. Generate the frame. Now let's go for all together and let's go for the best video model and the high quality here. Confirm. And it's done actually. The scenes are done for the clip. Yeah, let's generate the final video right now. Dude, this is gonna look amazing actually. For real. This is cool. Wow. Amazing. Let's see the final result right now.
The glass to touch the sun. Till this stolen past has been undone. Breaking through the glass to touch the sun.
This is amazing. So if you want to create your videos and create your music videos and the clips, you can use Tune AI. Link's gonna be in description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.